The Jimmy Hill Mission is one of Alabama's most biggest and successful ministries, and every day volunteers and workers do their part to help people get back on their feet. And Father's Day is no exception, especially for fathers today, all those great dads. And joining us now is Tony Cooper. He's the executive director of the Jimmy Hill Mission. Thanks for being here.
Ashley, it's always a pleasure. Thank you.
So it's a special day, Father's Day. Tell us about Father's Day over at the mission.
Well, Ashley, our goal at the Jimmy Hill Mission to help the men that are coming to us that are dads to be responsible. We encourage them, of course, to take a leadership role in the family by being the providers and the protectors, and along with the mom, helping nurture that family and provide the support and strength and stability that is needed. You do this by laying a good foundation. We believe that foundation is based on biblical teaching, that has a Judeo-Christian values, and on that you can build a foundation that you can build a successful life on, because we need help in making right decisions and good choices, and setting priorities and establishing goals, and dealing with the challenges and stresses and adversities and problems and pressures of life. And so we want our dads to be responsible, because you need a healthy family, because see, families are the backbone to our society.
Absolutely.
So the family goes, so goes society. So we want to have strong families, and the way to have strong families is to have strong dads and strong moms working together and providing a foundation for that family.
So I imagine a lot of fathers are taking advantage of all these opportunities, right?
Oh yeah. Between our, we have several programs. Last year we had 182 men graduate from our residential programs there. We had over 140, both men and women. We have Jesse's Place as well, to go through our Stewart Learning Centers where we do education, remediation, and job readiness. And we helped 140 people find employment and get back to work. Our slogan at Jimmy Hill Mission is because we're helping people, says our product has changed lives, and just helping people to rebuild their lives, but also to restore broken relationships, and a lot of them are getting their families back. Go to our website, JimmyHillMission.com, and you'll see of course, our Father's Day June newsletter about a successful story where a father has been reunited with his son, and just a wonderful story about how families are being reunited and people are having their lives changed.
Definitely, and I was reading on your website before the interview. Give us a quick summary, I guess, of one of those success stories from a dad. Well,
the one that we just emphasized was a young man who come through our program who had been, of course, because of bad choices, had really lost pretty much everything, and especially his family. And what hurt him most was his relationship with his son. That has been reestablished because he's refocused, doing those responsible things he needs to do as a dad, and now he's been reunited with his family. It's just a wonderful story. We have a number of stories and video testimonies like that people can take advantage of. Then that's what it's all about. It's just ministering to people, addressing needs, and helping them get back to life.
Absolutely, helping people get back on their feet. Well, thank you so much for joining us this morning. And if you're interested in learning more or reading more about those stories, we've posted the information on our website, Alabamas13.com, and you can also go to JimmyHillMission.com as well. And thanks again for being here.
Thank you.